Welcome to another episode of Heavy Duty Machines at Mighty Machine Masters. Today, we're going to be looking at 25 of the best heavy machines at work. Before that, please make sure to subscribe to the channel to get updates on the latest videos. Lattuga 8300. The Lattuga 8300 lettuce harvester is a cutting-edge solution for lettuce production. It offers an ultra-gentle ride from the field to the facility. With harvesting heads spanning 8 rows over 20 feet, this harvester achieves high volume in a single pass. Farmers praise the Lattuga 8300 for its reliable capacity and service accessibility, keeping the harvester running shift after shift in demanding environments that would batter fewer machines across countless acres. VTB Crusher. In the heart of the demolition sites resides the VTB Pressure Bucket Crusher, a monstrous force that brings down structures. This machine mercilessly cracks concrete slabs with its forceful bite, growing hungrier with each demolition. This equipment not only solves the problems of demolition and waste, but also provides a cost-effective and rapid on-site solution, avoiding transport costs and enabling swift reuse of materials. Gregoire G9330. The Gregoire G9330 brings advanced analytics to vineyards, utilizing artificial intelligence to analyze grape clusters for optimal harvesting. Equipped with specialized shears, it applies minimal pressure during operation, avoiding crushing ripe fruit with the precision of the most seasoned field hands. Optical scanning technology is employed to identify underripe sections and oversee individual grapes, ensuring picking that maximizes value. The multi-function arms delicately harvest premium wine prospects. Rollmops. The Rollmops is an innovative invention in the road construction and road surface beautification industry. Despite its small size, this machine excels in quick and flexible movement over newly laid stone blocks. Its agility ensures even and smooth distribution of the stone pieces across the road surface, resulting in a glossy finish. With powerful and precise movement, the Rollmops significantly enhance the speed and efficiency of road paving work. Jekko JF545. The Jekko JF545 mini crane allows operators to command it via radio remote to grab and gingerly place items with exacting precision. Unlike noisy demolition sites, this crane works quietly and intelligently, twisting 360 degrees in either direction thanks to a continuous rotation SLO ring. Bauer BG45. When structural supports demand foundations reaching 100 meters into bedrock, the project manager calls upon the Bauer BG45 rotary drilling rig. This driller boasts steel and tightly wound sinews ready to rotate its 433 kilowatt engines, delivering 461 kilonewtons of torque to crush and grind through Earth's firm layers with unstoppable progress. Robotic automation aids operators in positioning and feeding drill stings, while oil and water pump through hoses, ensuring smooth progress. Liebherr T282C. The Liebherr T282C mining truck is a symbol of unparalleled power and performance. With its enormous size and incredible power, it rightfully claims its position as one of the most massive mining trucks globally. Fueled by a powerful diesel engine, the T282C passes all challenges in harsh mining environments, putting it ahead of other machines on the field. The Liebherr T282C is a true powerhouse, demonstrating the pinnacle of capability in the demanding world of mining. Storti Dobermann SW220. The Storti Dobermann SW220 animal feed mixer is a master at blending batches, measuring them in perfect proportions to reach an ideal nutritional balance for herds and healthy flocks. Featuring twin vertical augers, it mixes both small and large ingredient loads from various silos and supply tanks. It is constructed with durable polymer and stainless steel components. The SW220 endures endless wear and tear over demanding seasons on dairy farms or poultry operations. This mixer prepares rations to match the animal life cycle needs. Komatsu D575A. The Komatsu D575A Super Dozer holds the title of the largest bulldozer in production. Measuring 38 feet and 5 inches in length and standing at 16 feet tall, it can move up to 125 cubic yards of material on each pass and dig to a depth of up to 7 feet. This machine is powered by a 12-cylinder 4-stroke diesel engine that produces an impressive 1,150 horsepower. Due to its immense size, it can't simply drive itself to a new work site. Instead, it needs to be dismantled and transported on up to 8 trucks before being reassembled at the destination. Please hit the subscribe button now if you haven't to get the updates on the latest videos. RS400 Runway Sweeper. The RS400 Runway Sweeper from Immerse moves at a breathtaking 65 kilometers per hour. With spinning steel bristles at 720 RPM, it cleans a 5-meter wide surface with each pass. Using over 100 gallons per hour, this turbocharged machine propels debris into submission at 150 meters per second via a blast from its roaring 40,000 cubic meters per hour turbine. Rotary Snowplow. The high-performance rotary snowplow is a global solution for removing ice and snow from train lines, especially prominent in the US, to ensure trouble-free train operations during winter. Notably, it features a fully rotating base with 180-degree rotational capability, making it highly precise and effective. This machine is equipped with ditch lights, headlights, and a customized snow cutter for train operators. It offers a broad range of working temperatures and is adaptable to various climate scenarios. Belaz 75710. The Belaz 75710 is the largest haul truck ever designed, making it ideal for construction projects. Weighing 500 tons itself, it can carry an additional 500 tons of material. This colossal vehicle is over 67 feet long, 32 feet wide, and 27 feet high, with a wheelbase of just over 26 feet. To power this giant, it utilizes a Siemens MMT 500 drive system powered by 2 MTU 16-cylinder 4-stroke diesel engines, each producing 2,300 horsepower. Even when loaded on an incline of 10%, it can maintain a speed of up to 25 miles per hour. RM80 Ballast Cleaning Machine. The RM80 is a reliable and high-performing ballast cleaning machine, delivering top-notch results even in challenging conditions. Thanks to its potent cutting chain and specially designed screening unit, it maintains high working speeds even when dealing with heavily fouled and encrusted ballast. With a travel speed of 50 miles per hour and quick setup and knockdown times, the RM80 maximizes track utilization. Equipped with a smart track lifting and slowing device, it offers flexibility by adjusting the cutting depth. Volvo L200H. The Volvo L200H high lift is a Swedish giant with tires nearly a meter tall. This machine lifts loads at astounding rates, its grapple clamping down on bundles of timber. It effortlessly turns out torque to carry ridiculous weights. The L200H goes about its forestry business without issues, only pausing when refueled or requiring maintenance every 2,000 hours. Royal IHC. Royal IHC's High-Track, a registered trademark underwater excavator, is a groundbreaking advancement in seabed excavation and subsea resource exploitation. With the capability to work remotely at depths of up to 1,500 meters underwater, it not only enhances worker safety but also unlocks numerous new opportunities in the industry. This innovation shows Royal IHC's commitment to bringing continuous improvement and innovation to the underwater mining sector. Ploeger MKC 2TR. The Ploeger MKC 2TR harvester is a speed demon on real terrain. This machine races across fields with specialized cutting blades at a 6.5 meter swath. Its mission is to gather bunches without bruising delicate leaves. Specifically built for crops, its gentle conveyors ensure the preservation of fragile parsley for the market. This harvester monitors output efficiency even in contoured zones that might pose challenges for traditional tractor harvesters. Integrated camera systems scan plants to customize cutting heights for optimal yield, showcasing its adaptability. FMG Tractor. The FMG Tractor Trailed Grader is a force to be reckoned with. Once its fangled blades drop, total topographical destruction ensues. These pole-type graders sculpt soil, gravel, and stubborn wintered ice flows with tenacious downforce and multi-wave moldboards. Operators sit high in tractor cabs, controlling side shifts, hitches, and rotating angles, masterfully reforming road surfaces below. In summer, gravel roads requiring reprofiling are maintained with this grader, restoring proper crowding and ensuring correct water runoff to drainage areas. Sandvik LH621. In the deepest reaches of subterranean tunnels, the Sandvik LH621 underground loader and dump truck can be found. This 21-ton rugged Swedish steel machine effortlessly turns through subterranean stone, filling bucket after bucket with ore rubble. Its hydraulic engine enables fast bucket filling and efficient extraction. Built for survival underground, the loader's dust-sealed, noise-isolated cab provides a protective bubble for operators against harsh extremes. It had parts designed for double-decade duty cycles, meaning this machine pulls its weight around the clock. Dutchman Tree Tyer. The Dutchman Tree Tyer is a skilled master when it comes to forest operations. With skilled precision in the ancient art of binding, this mechanical marvel entwines limbs and branches at a pace that would make other machines look small in comparison. The Dutchman works in a way that ensures uniformity in every forest operation. Dibuka Spot 55. The Dibuka Spot 55 fire truck is a relentless force when wildfires rage uncontrolled. It tames the inferno with its 11,000-liter tank, feeding high-pressure pumps capable of blanketing flames with suffocating curtains of water and retardant chemicals. Seeing the Spot 55 in action leaves you rest assured about any hazard. Prinoth Panther T14. The Prinoth Panther T14 dump truck is a powerful machine designed for steep slopes. The rotating cab and dump box make work easy for this machine. The operator can easily control the surroundings by spinning the cab 360 degrees with a button. Despite its size, the Panther T14 treads lightly to avoid harming the snowy surface. This machine navigates harsh mountaintop conditions with its powerful 275 horsepower engine. Kobelco SK55SRX. The Kobelco SK55SRX excavator slides its slim excavation arm down miles of drainage canals, expertly clearing weed-choked passages to restore free flow. This operation is crucial for water management authorities concerned about potential flooding from rainfall. Equipped with a rotating cutter attachment, the SK55 pulverizes overgrowth along earth and banks, while the padded excavator bucket efficiently scoops debris. It excels at clearing culverts and ravines, preparing for torrents that may come. DFM Feller Buncher. The DFM Feller Buncher for logging is a formidable machine that takes any tree in its path. Mechanical arms and teeth make the operation very quick for this machine. The Feller Buncher chomps relentlessly through any forest dragged before it. Despite its compact frame, this 1,800-pound beast exhibits the tree-demolishing productivity of giants twice its size. SNPC BMM 410. The BMM 410 brickmaking machine by SNPC Machines is where clay and fire merge, producing uniform building blocks. This fully automated diesel-fed machine consumes soil spoils and spits out perfectly formed bricks at massive scales non-stop. Every hour, its rigid mechanical parts coordinate raw ingredient loading, precise material compaction into molds, cutting with wire filament, immediate curing, and transfers, followed by wrapped pallet stacking inside the high-capacity hopper. Taisun Crane. The Taisun Crane, located at the Anti-Raffle shipyard in Jiangsu, China, is the largest crane in the world, designed to keep up with the increasing size of ships and larger loads. This colossal crane is rated to handle loads of up to 20,000 tons and holds the record for the 3 heaviest lifts by a crane of all time. With dimensions of 393 feet wide and 436 feet tall, it can service even the most complicated needs with a lift height of 262 feet. We've come to the end of today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content.